What's up, traders? Welcome to another exotic live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing live trading in this session. This is going to be awesome. As you have seen yesterday in front of you, many of you made with 3 pip stop loss, huge profit from AUD USD, day trading or scalping, whatever you want to name it. We'll find something similar today. Hopefully we'll get better than this. Make sure you stick till the end. This is very, very important. Starting with a famous quote from J.C. Livermore. He was a legendary trader, historically legendary trader. He said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. So if your intention in this session is to make money, then sit down. If you want to trade, then you lose money. So if you want to make money, then don't trade. Sit down with me, pay attention, be patient. You saw that the trade comes all the time at the end of the session in most cases. So make sure you be patient, try to understand, try to learn, and always be patient with your trading. Then you can make money from trading. This is very, very important. So let's begin with today's answer and question, what our members and BIP members and everyone is saying. So Trader Boma, hi sir. Trader Boma, Avinash, hello sir. Pauline, hello Forex Wizard, thank you. Avinash, hi, I'm your big fan. Yesterday's scalping was good. I don't have words, simply great. Thank you, Avinash. It's just a simple magic that I have shown you. I know that all of you are great and you learn. Stay with me. My job is to make you like that. The only thing you need to do is be patient, cool, stay managed, okay? Never let your greed and fear take control over you if you want to be like yesterday, like the way I have traded yesterday. So Kakulan, thank you. Mixchi, hello master, hello Mixchi. Jonathan, Justin, hi everyone. Chadrick, Pure Health, very good. Chadrick, Amit Prabodhan, or sorry if I mistake your name. So before I begin, do a favor for me, smash the like button, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press that bell notification if you haven't done yet. So starting, let's say today's session, we'll be starting with let me know what you want me to cover. Khalid said, is there any chance you will go over Gbpusd today? Yep, we'll go every pairs. As you have seen that yesterday I have almost live stream for 2 hours. Today also will be a bit extended. So make sure you watch all the way to see what's happening. As soon as I will find possible trading opportunity, I will give it to you. I will trade by myself. I will share it with you. The only thing you need to keep in mind that this is an educational channel. So make sure everything is educational. Nothing to be taken as an investment advice. As by rules or law, I need to always give you a disclaimer and to clarify how you're gonna use these signals or trade opportunities. So let's begin with some of the pairs that giving us trading opportunity. First of all, I'm interested about Euro and ZD. Okay, this is my takeout. Everything you are writing on the chat section, I'll definitely go through all of them, what you are requesting, every pairs, whatever time frame we are trading, I will go through all of them. But you need to be patient. So Euro and ZD looks like to me that maybe creating a bearish price action. And if Euro and ZD, like other Euro pairs also could do that, but Euro and ZD now just have caught my eyes. So could be some other pairs as well. We'll go through all of them. So Euro and ZD, on the higher time frame, if you look at the monthly time frame, what you see the Euro and ZD in a very, very important area of value. That's how you need to analyze the chart. See, Either I trade on 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, hourly, 4 hour, daily, in all time frame I can trade. Okay, some of you may get confused. Okay, are you a day trader, a swing trader, or a scalper? I have wrote my board in everywhere. So look, this is the monthly time frame, okay? And Euro and ZD overall, if you look at the overall picture, so what I wanted to say, that whatever time frame you are trading, you always have to look at the multi time frame approach. This is the only way you can find a proper direction in the market. When you know that multi time frame analysis, multi time frame approach, nothing can stop you from being a profitable trader with the proper trading psychology. So Euro and ZD, what we have seen that on the monthly time frame, look at the market structure first of all. Okay, this is the market structure for Euro and ZD monthly time frame. This is a bearish market structure. Now what you see, that look at this one here, this is a textbook bearish engulfer, fully bearish. Okay, in this textbook bearish engulfer, after this the price came down as expected, followed by a retracement to the upside, back to back, now 2 months up. So this is the overall bearish market. The price now in just at the tummy of this bearish engulfer, and there is a high probability that, as you can see, there is a 20 period moving average, there is a doji here, and there's a trend line here, all this aligned with the monthly time frame. And that's why that's what I do, when I trade on, let's say, on the 4 hour or hourly time frame, even in a 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame, I look at the bigger picture so that I can hold the trade for a very long period of time to have the maximum benefit from the market. So Euro and ZD looks like that in a very, very important area of selling zone. Okay, this is the monthly, as you can see, that's what I always explain in all my videos in my YouTube channel, everywhere. You see, look at the past and the left side, you see who is in control on the left side. That's what you need to ask yourself. Always find an instrument that is in an opposite territory. So what do I mean by this? Let's say Euro and ZD price, let me delete all of this again. The Euro and ZD price is here, right? So the buyers push the price here. So the buyers, where did the buyers bring the price to? In a place of, where there is a lot of seller. In the past, couple of minutes, 4 months ago, this zone was a strong selling zone. So the price came back to the zone, means there could be an attack from the seller. So that's the first thing you need to keep in mind when you are trading. So this is a very, very strong selling zone, and if the price reject from here, we might say, so this is the monthly time frame, we still have a couple of weeks to go. But what we see, that the price is in a very, very important area of value. Now go to the weekly time frame. You see that the weekly, let's see now what happened. You see, this is a weekly time frame, and the price already broke this weekly trend line on Euro and ZD, overextended to the upside. Now let's find out the Fibonacci level. Okay, if you take your Fibonacci from high to the low, what you see, the price now just over 61.8% Fibonacci. So this is also, in terms of Fibonacci, this is also an overextended market. Now go to the daily time frame. Now daily, we saw that, you see, this is what I look at the past. Okay, you don't need much time to learn trading. You see, why did I highlighted this zone very, very importantly? Because this is the daily time frame, and look at this bearish engulfer. Okay, a very, very strong bearish engulfer, very, very strong. Why? It has passed almost three days high, and then rejected, closed back, passing the 3 days low. So this is a very, very strong selling zone, and the price, this long daily candle came and closed in this very, very high liquidity zone. The chances that this could be a false breakout to the upside, and from here we can expect Euro and ZD to drop, not guaranteed. I think so, could happen, and that's what we are looking the lower time frame price section. Now 4 hour, you see on the 4 hour time frame, you saw that first of all there is a strong rejection with this red candle, right? That's what I always tell. When will you take a reversal trade? When you see that a market is going with a high speed, never sell. But when you see a market has gone with a very high speed and then strongly rejected with a long candle followed by a slow retracement, then there is a time to sell. So with that being said, Euro NZD, look at the previous 4 hour, has created this doji. Okay, now current 4 hour, it is trying to create, is still 1 hour 17 minutes to go. It is trying to create another doji. If this one remains like that as a doji, that is what I will be selling in front of you. Smash the like button now, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. As I told you, this is Forex Wizard if you're new to the channel. So let's begin with your writing what you are saying. Christina, hello Christina. Jabir, hi sir. Chiditto, good afternoon sir. No problem. Chiditto, Kenneth, AUD USD. Sherry, good morning. How about GBP USD? We'll talk all about Chiditto, AUD JPY. Okay, so let's begin with and now AUD JPY. Now AUD JPY, this is the trade that I have sent today to my VIP channel. Okay, and after, let me discuss that one as well. I know that there is may not be much for you, but there is a lot of things for you, because this, when you see winning trades, that's where you can learn really what is working for us will be working for you as well. So we have closed 3 trades. These are the real-time data. 3 trades yesterday profitable. GBP USD 2 trade, all the data and everything is there. GBP USD 2 trades, profitable trade. Dollar yen also we closed with profit. Today I have sent AUD JPY trade with, you know, pending order, stop loss, take profit. Okay, first target I have given 1 to 5, and then I moved to 1 to 2 risks to reward. Now it's their freedom how they want to run the trade. So this is the AUD and JPY trade currently we are running, okay, on this one. So let me discuss why I have sent this AUD JPY trade and how you can learn from it. As you can see, yesterday's when we are doing the live session, this candlestick was forming, and I have mentioned that from here it is going to be a sell. As I was trading on Aussie dollar yesterday, I didn't trade it. I don't want to double up. Now from here you saw the price drop, right? Now today with this green candle, the price went up for a retracement followed by another rejection. Now this rejection candle basically moved along this trend line. You see, this is how you need to analyze the market. When AUD JPY moving to the downside on the 4 hour time frame, we saw there is a support here, support here, support here. Now this one broke, tested with this as a resistance. When I saw this candlestick, I have sent my VIP members this trade signal, which is almost now more than 1 to 1 profit, and I'm confident that we are going to win this trade. This is a high risk to reward ratio trade. Now you'll see this, I have given my entry. So that's how you learn where do you place your pending order. Tomorrow I will release a video on this one, especially how do you find an area of value to give the perfect area to place a pending order. Now AUD JPY, see exactly where I gave the pending order, 90.812. Let me show you again, 90.812. This is the live signal that I sent to my VIP members. See exactly where I gave the pending order. The price exactly came to the point, 90.812, and then started to move in the direction. Not even 1 pip gone up from the place where I have given the pending order. Now how I did this accurate analysis where the price will come and come back. Now if you learn more about that, I'm teaching you in this live trading session, and also I have my strategy. You can go to my website, link in the description. If you want to join, you can join my lifetime access membership program where you can learn and also receive this kind of trade signal. Now at this point, see, at this point Usdjpy is moving in the direction. Now what I think that what Usdjpy will do, if you see, this is the 4-hour time frame. If you see hourly time frame, the trade looks like this. Okay, it's moving, you know, even after this doji, you are good to take a trade from here. Okay, now what Usdjpy likely to do, look at the daily time frame. You see, this market has created a head and shoulder on the daily time frame. Okay, if you go look at the bigger picture weekly, this is basically after this weekly green candle, Usdjpy broke to the downside, and I think that Usdjpy likely to come at least to this level of support. Why? Because you see the price broke to the upside. Now as you have seen that the price is breaking down, creating a double top here. So when you see this kind of pattern, is basically a reversal pattern. So when it is reversing, it will come to this high probability, not guaranteed. Usdjpy could come to this level of resistance here, now could be tested as a support, and even it could test this dynamic support as resistance, and then may create a reversal pattern to the upside. So this is what's happening with Usdjpy going back to the 4-hour time frame, and we'll be holding the trade until we hit our profit target. Whatever happens, either going wrong or right, we will be holding the trade. So this is the situation with Usdjpy. Now you might say, well, when can I enter a trade? At this point, I don't have any signal on Usdjpy on the higher time frame, could be on the lower time frame. But whenever I will see a lower time frame signal, I only trade on lower time frame when there is a nearing a candle close, either daily or 4-hour. Then I go to the lower time frame. I don't blindly all the time look at the 5 minutes without looking at the higher time frame. I'm telling you, I trade based on higher time frame. I trade based on at least 4-hour. But when I go to the 5 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes, is basically I try to find an accurate entry point. Okay, it doesn't mean that I'm scalping. And some of you might think that, okay boss, I follow you, but scalping is dangerous. I know scalping is not easy. But what I do is basically I base my entry on daily or 4-hour or even weekly, monthly, but I take the lower time frame for the entry. That's the smart traders approach. They normally use the lower time frame for finding a proper entry point. So with that being said, Usdjpy, I sincerely believe that it's going to be a winner. Let's see what happens. Even if it doesn't win, no problem. Trading is all about probability. So now let's see the Gbpusd. Now Gbpusd, as you have seen that today, I have posted an analysis on YouTube. Now why this is still bearish, but why I didn't send the trade signal to the PIP members? Why did I send only Usdjpy? See, when I'm posting an analysis, you always need to keep in mind, listen carefully what I say in my analysis. Blindly don't follow the analysis. So Gbpusd is still bearish, okay, but why I didn't take the trade is because I would definitely take the trade if this red candle, when this was forming, I was preparing the analysis. What did I say in my analysis? If this red candle closes as a bearish engulfer, then only I will be going short. Okay, now this is the rules of the strategy. According to the rules of our trend following strategy or TF strategy in our website. Now why I didn't take, look at the bottom of this red candle. Before closing the candle, the price went above, closed here. Now from here we might see a drop down with Gbpusd, but it didn't satisfy my rules of the strategy. My rules of the strategy is that a bearish engulfer can be considered if it close past the previous candle's close. So what is the definition of a bearish engulfer? A bearish engulfer has to close or bullish or bearish, the previous candle's close. So the close is here for this red candle, okay, but it has to be at least past the previous candle close. If this is the case, then I would place a pending order around this zone. I would put a stop loss here and I would target 1 to 2 or 3 risk to reward ratio. That's how, you know, the rules of my strategy says. Okay, everyone has a different strategy, but that's how I trade. So now let's see what you guys and girls are saying. Rabi Good, hi Wizard, thank you Rabi Good. Chidito, AUD USD and AUD JPY. We have already discussed AUD JPY. We'll go to the AUD USD. What happens with Euro CAD? We'll talk about. Let's see one by one. Abdul Wahid, Euro NZD, please. We have already seen Euro NZD. I'll talk again. Chidito, AUD JPY. Okay, Abdul Wahid, you have do you have a free trial for first week? Abdul Wahid, the people who gave free trial, they don't show their result. I show you live trading. Yesterday you have seen my trade on Aussie dollar. I show you live result. Then why do you need a free trial? Okay, that's the question is. You saw that this is the live result, live trading, and my VIP members on the live stream, everyone knows what's happening, what the trade. So then why do you need a live result? So now Kakulan, Euro AUD also similar. We'll check Euro AUD. Now next is Euro trade. So we'll see. Can you please sell? Can you Kakulan, not blindly. We'll check and then we'll talk. Samuel, I have verified my Blueberry market and have funded it, sir. Is they give my mentorship is still valid? Samuel, send me an email with your fund detail, then I'll reply back to you. And ZD USD, let's see. Chindu Aguilar, good evening, sir. Chindu. Shubha, sometimes it's difficult for me to pronounce the name. Pardon me, I just mentioned it. So, and hello. Tuned and learning, thank you, and awesome. Please search just okay. Chidito, wow, I entered AUD JPSL with what I have been learning from this channel. Thank you, no problem, Chidito, awesome. Joshua, Euro USD, yep, we'll do all of them. Gold request, some names very difficult to pronounce, so I'm just mentioning. Marks Rahman, how are you, dear sir? No problem, Marksudur Rahman. Marksudur Rahman, looks like I know this guy. I'm good, Marksudur Rahman. Ahmed Said, hi sir, what about gold? I'm good. Ahmed Said, gold. So let's see now. Let's see the Euro pairs. Let's jump back to the Euro pairs. First of all, Euro NZD. Okay, so Euro NZD, see. Don't sell blindly. Wait for the candle because it's still 1 hour 5 minutes remaining. So in what situation I'll be selling Euro NZD? I'm explaining here. I have a strategy for this one. Now I can't tell you what is my strategy, but at what condition today I'll sell Euro NZD if I see that this current candle could not break the previous candle's high, okay, and closed below this previous candle's high, then only I'll be selling Euro NZD. And if I sell Euro NZD, I will not close my trade at least until the price come to this level. So this could be a huge trade, at least 1 to 10 or 1 to 8 risk to reward ratio. Now, why I explained already Euro NZD when I started my streaming, I'll do it again. Now let's find out Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, same thing, is stronger than Euro NZD. Looks like that Euro AUD is more bearish than Euro NZD. Kakulan, don't be impatient. Don't think of selling now because you see that this is now doji, creating double doji. Perfect, but the candle has not closed. But do not listen to my advice. Later you might think that, okay, Forex Wizard gave me advice, I missed the trade. Don't do this. Everyone has their own strategy, own way of trading. I only give my opinion. Okay, The rest will depend on you, how you wanna manage your trade, how you wanna take your trade. I always love all of you, and that's why I just give my opinion. In the meantime, if you wanna show me more love, couple of things you can do for me. If you really wanna, like, everyone loves me, I know, but if you wanna give some extra love, then if anyone of you need a good broker, reliable, because I always partnered with a broker who is one of the best in the world, regulated, reliable. Blueberry Market, have a link in the description area. There, if you use my link, you will find 20% trade credit. They are reliable and regulated, very good broker. And also, if you if any one of you are looking to get funded, you can get funded in 24 hours. The link in the description, you can use that link to get funded. So let's and also, if you want to join my VIP membership program, mentorship program, you can visit my website, also link in the description. So let's see Euro AUD what's doing now. Euro AUD, if this one closes as a doji, like that, as a doji, that could be a good trade to sell, that I will do. Okay, I will wait until this 4-hour candle close, and I will at least secure one trade with you, either losing or winning. But make sure that, keep in mind that a full disclaimer is that trading is not suitable, because I have to give a written disclaimer. I'll prepare it, but so far verbally, trading is not for everyone. Okay, so this is just for educational purpose, not for taking any not an investment advice for anyone. So let's see what you guys and girls are saying in the chat section. Sir, Gbpusd please. Okay, we have already discussed Gbpusd. We'll discuss more. BTC please sir. Yeah, BTC. Okay, BTC was dropping. Now let's see, maybe it's now picking up. Could be exhausted and reversal, sir. Pound, sir, could be exhausted and reversal. Okay, we'll look at it. USD CAD, sir. Pound, I received 20% trade credit. Awesome, Pound, very, very good. That's what it is. That's why this is my goal when I help. So if you use that link, you get a 20% trade credit. It's also been helpful for me. It's also helpful for you. Thank you very much for that. So now let's see what's happening with Gbpusd. Let's find out. Okay, Gbpusd, see the Gbpusd creating a doji here. Looks like it's still 1 hour to go. But if this one closes like that, that's another sell signal. Smash the like button. Okay, if this one, I don't know if it will close like that or no. It's still 1 hour remaining. This is the 4-hour candle. But if it close before or after the close hour candle, closing the 4-hour candle, we'll go to the lower time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity. Now Gbpusd, just the hourly candle closed. You see, this is as soon as the hourly candle closed, we saw a spike to the upside, but it's not going to happen. I think that is still bearish, but it's now purely going in a sideway. Okay, but we don't know which way it's going to break out. But let's find out what's happening with Gbpusd. We'll see one by one. Okay, all of them, how they are trading. So let's find out euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar now. See what's happening. 4 hour euro dollar actually moving in a very, very sideways. That's why I didn't much interested about the euro dollar. Instead, I'm more interested on euro AUD and euro NZD. Okay, these two trades, I'm very, very interested about these two pairs. Euro AUD is more bearish than euro NZD so far. Later we don't know what will happen, but let's find out with higher time frame on euro AUD. See, euro AUD is doing the same thing as I told you. The price went to this very, very important liquidity zone. This is a very, very important liquidity zone. It doesn't mean that it's not guaranteed that it always will come like that. Okay, it could go up, but the pattern looks like bearish. Okay, now go to the 4 hour. So this is basically trying to create a double doji. This is a double doji. I have a completely separate strategy on double doji. You can check it out in my YouTube channel as well. So what's happening with Euro AUD is still 1 hour to go, but what let me see on the 15 minutes. So if this one closes, this 4 hour candle closes as a double doji, then I might jump on to 15 minutes or even 5 minutes to find possible entry opportunity. I think that in the meantime, in 15 minutes, this price may just move in a sideways. So let's see what's happening, and then we will be going to trade Euro AUD. Let's find out. Euro CAD, same thing. Not same thing. Euro CAD is a bit different than Euro AUD and NZD. I'm not finding any trading opportunity on Euro CAD. Euro CHF. Okay, Euro CHF also trying to create a reversal pattern. This one also a very overextended to the upside. This is overall a bearish market. Okay, so let me see the area of value. Yeah, so if you look at the Euro CHF, first of all, see the bigger picture weekly, you see the same thing. You see this is a very important area of value, and if this price breakdown, Euro CHF, Euro AUD or Euro NZD, from here we might see a very big spike to the downside, slowly or fast, but it's an overall bearish market, and that could be a good trade if we can catch them. Okay, so let's see what happened. We'll see on the lower time frame as well. When the candle will close or nearly will close, then we will consider going to the lower time frame for finding the possible entry opportunity. So Euro AUD, you see the price now created. So I like this kind of pattern. You see the double doji with a lower high and lower low. Okay, after a strong bearish engulfer, double doji with lower high and lower low, but unfortunately the market may not close like that. But I don't want to enter at this point because I want to see that this is closing as a doji. But let me think that if we can enter a trade on Euro AUD. Let me see the higher time frame, lower time frame, all of them. Maybe we might find a trading opportunity on Euro AUD. Though we are already running a trade on Usdjpy, which is running in profit with our VIP members. But let me see if I can find a good trade to enter on Euro AUD. Let me see 4 hour. Okay, so if let me see weekly. Okay, so weekly there is a long rejection here. Okay, this week the price came here. There is a doji here. So this doji basically not been tested. I think monthly. Okay, monthly the price still didn't test this one. You know, there is only one thing. We see that the price has not been tested. If the price here, I could close my eyes and enter a sell opportunity. Let me see daily. Okay, daily there is a spike. Okay, so if we consider that this doji is where the area of value, the price already tested that 50% of the doji. This is the daily time frame. So I just being a bit quiet. Don't think that I'm sleeping. I'm just analyzing the market. Okay, you guys and girls write down what you wanna say me. I'm trying to find a trading opportunity for all of us. Okay, it's like I'm your trading coach. I need to find a trade for you so that everyone can enjoy it. Okay, so be patient. As I told you when I started my session, JC Livermore, he is a legendary trader. I always follow the legends. He said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. So today I will teach you how to sit, not how to trade. Once I will teach you how to seed, you can make money. Okay, I will make money. So looks to me that Euro AUD came to a point where it may started to reverse. Okay, this is my area of value, and the price, this is the daily time frame, and we see that the price just hit this area of value. Okay, now let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so how do we enter a trade on Euro AUD? Let me find out hourly. Okay, so what I want Euro AUD to break down here. Okay, I want it to break down, so that it has created this channel. Okay, I want it to create a little bit of false breakout and then break down. So okay, let's see how we can enter a trade on Euro AUD. I think that it's in that case we might need to close our Usdjpy with almost 1-to-1 profit, because I don't want to double up two trades on the same AUD pairs. So let me see again, where is Euro AUD. Okay, so hourly, that's how you have to think. I need to think a lot of when I'm taking. Okay, so on the hourly also there is a reversal pattern here. This hourly candle might come down like that. Okay, don't experience FOMO. Okay, I'm trying to figure out if we can enter a trade or no on Euro AUD. So if we enter a trade on Euro AUD, let's say if we take a short from here, keeping our stop loss here, and let's say this could be a very good area to take profit. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, let's do means like I'm doing, it's not an investment advice, or it's not an advice at any point. The trade may go wrong, anything could happen, but I'm just trading and I'm showing you how to trade. It's just for an educational purpose. So what I will be doing here on Euro AUD, let me see hourly. So I will be placing a pending order here, okay, along this zone on Euro AUD. Okay, keeping my stop loss above this high, and I will be targeting 1 to let's say 2.3, 1 to 2 risks to reward. Okay, let me open my account. So I'll be sending the same trade to my VIP members. This is the trade that, okay, so we'll be placing pending order. I'll be sending this one to our VIP members. We have some trade that we have, so VIP Forex trading, let me send it to signals. Okay, so this is the situation with Euro AUD. I think this is a good trade to trade on. Could be a winner, could be a loser. Let me see what happened. Okay, it looks like it will reverse, and if it reverse, it might come a lot down. Okay, but the only thing is that my stop loss is a bit tight. It might go up, test this high. If it tests, then no problem. We just get out of the trade. I could keep my stop loss above this high with a big stop loss. That I don't do. I try to give a tight stop loss to my VIP members, so that they can have some profit out of it. So I'll say my so I'll say my VIP members to take the profit out of Usdjpy. Take profit from Usdjpy. Okay, so let's find out now what else we have to trade. We'll see all of them. So let's see what request we have. Comedy TV, gold. Okay, Kayton, good evening sir. Kayton, no problem. Presmo, hello, could you analyze gold? Yeah, we'll do CHFJPY. Quite a few gold, please. Salah Ramzan, gold. Angry boy, gold. Yeah. Okay, so quite a few requests for gold. Let's go to the gold. Let's see what's happening. Okay. Okay, so gold after let me see, daily first of all. Okay, gold, as I told you yesterday, gold open with a gap. Okay, there is a gap opening here, nice gap opening. This is the previous support here. Okay, now tested as a resistance on the daily time frame. Gold looks bearish, and I think that gold will drop from here. Okay, gold looks bearish, but what it might do, gold, before it comes down, still it is 1 hour 47 minutes to go. But what gold might do is gold might come up to test this 20 period moving average, and from here it might drop. As you see that there is a, if you go to the daily time frame, on the daily, this green candle has not been tested yet. Okay, this bottom of this green candle has not been tested yet, which is the 4 hour, and I think that gold will come a little bit above, will test this, both of them, this 20 period moving. This is the previous support, testing as a resistance, and from here we might see that gold might drop, and this could be a good place to sell gold. Smash the like button. If the price comes here, I'll go to the lower time frame. We'll day trade on gold, or maybe scalp on gold, whatever happens, because this is a very, very important area of value. That's what you need to find out. There is a gap opening here. There is a 20 period moving average here on the 4 hour, and also there is a previous support here. Okay, why this is previous support? You see there was a dynamic support has been broken, and this dynamic support is here. Should be tested as a resistance, and I think that if this, after this current 4 hour candle, if this one doesn't melt down, if this one closes as a doji here, say let's say from 1857, gold might go up to again 1868, and then from here gold might drop. So to best the trading opportunity for gold is either to wait for the price to go there, or placing a pending order, keeping stop loss. I'm not in the side of pending order. I will be waiting instead to see a gold to go there, and I will only sell if the gold goes there, because if I sell now, then what will happen? Either it might drop from here. Okay, I'm lucky. If I'm not lucky, it will go up and hit my stop loss. I don't want this to happen. So to get a good risk to reward entry, I will, if the gold goes there, and then I will see the lower time frame on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. I'll place my stop loss above this high or even above this high, and then I will take 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's how I'll be trading gold. Okay, so this is the situation with gold. Euro AUD, we have opened a trade on this one. Let's see what happened. Euro AUD, I sincerely believe that we'll be able to have a good trade on this one. Let's see what happened. It might close as a doji. Okay, but let's see what happens. So let's go back to gold again. And gold, as I told you, if you look at the daily, this is a very, very strongly bearish price action. As I told you, this is what happened. The price closed with a pin bar, with a gap opening. Smash the like button now. If you're new to the channel, if you're old, smashing every day, then if you feel pain, don't need to do smashing like button. Just hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. So now gold, what's happening now? You see, let me clean all. You see, what do you see? That gold, it's like bleeding. Okay, bleeding to the downside. There is a red daily candle. Now this could be a starting of the move to the upside or starting of the move to the downside. Now what I need gold, first of all, to trade to the downside. Don't trade blindly. I need, as I told you, gold to test this 20 period moving average on the 4 hour, and at the same time I'm not telling that as soon as it will come here I'll sell. I'll not sell as soon as it will come here. I need first gold to come here, and then I need on the lower time frame, such as on the 5 minutes or 15 minutes, a pattern, a reversal pattern from this zone, a rejection, and then I will be selling gold for a very, very long period of time. I'll hold the trade. Okay, so this is what it is with gold. Let's see what happened. I sincerely believe that this will be a good trading opportunity on gold. Hopefully everyone is happy now. Let's find out. I see Angry Boy really got angry. He posted a lot of gold messages for educational purpose only. Yes, Angry Boy, don't get too much angry. If you get angry when you are trading, you will keep losing money. Okay, trading is a game of the cool boy. Okay, change your name, write down as a cool boy. Okay, then you can become a profitable trader. You know, trading is not easy because, okay, let me ask you a question. Everybody write down on the chat section that why do you think that most traders lose money? What is the reason? I will give you two options. Okay, one option is, do you think that they don't know how to trade, or they don't have any technical or any information or any fundamental? One option. Another option is, do you think that is because of their psychology? These are the two options. Okay, so first option is anything technical, you know, anything technical analysis, anything like that. Second option is because of their own psychology. This is the second option. Write down, what do you think? Why do traders lose money? Because once you know this answer, many of your trading problem will be solved forever. So let's see. Salar Ramazan cause gold bank. Okay, I don't know what you have written. It's not English language. Usdjpy, sir. Yeah, we'll do it. Chidito, where did you place the pending order? Which one? Euro AUD. Let me show you. Where did I pending order? Is here. Okay, so it's around 1.5166, but it's now gone down. It will come up again, hopefully. Okay, it even if you put at 1.5166, you should be triggered. Keep in mind that this is for educational purpose, not for any investment advice. So Chidito, where did you place them? Okay, Kaden, how do you calculate the pips in the trading view? I mean, which icon should I place in the trading view to know the number of pips? Okay, let me teach you. It's a good one. Okay, so if you see there is a ruler here, you see measure. Okay, if you take this ruler and then place it here where you stop loss and where you take profit. Okay, 62 pip. This is one way. There are more other way. 62 pip. Okay, and you see this, if you double click on this one, this entry, and you will get here also. Okay, so you'll find some information here. Even I never tried here, I always use the ruler. So there is entry price. Okay, and let me see what it has. Text pressed visibility. To be honest, I have never tried these things. Lot size 1, risk 3%. I'm not interested on this one. So basically, tick stop level. Okay, I think this one. Okay, 620 points. So if you double click here, let's say if you double click here, if you see 620, that's basically 62 pip. Okay, that's how you will find the pip number on trading view. So Angry Boy Gold. Okay, a beautiful world and life. Now sell or buy. What do you want to sell or buy? Tell me exactly what instrument. Hi sir, do you manage account? If so, how can I contact you? Send me email your detail on info@forextradingwizard.com or visit my website. Link in the description area, and contact me via website. I put sell now. I don't know. Beautiful world. It's up to you. You put sell or buy. What I'm doing, I'm explaining. The depending on you. What about Euro GBP? Okay, let's see. We'll do all of them. Pounds, very good. Martin Alex Usdjpy, Armand over trade. Okay, psychology, too emotional. Boomer second. Pound option 2. Psychology. Revenge trading, psychology. Kakulan, lack of knowledge and patient. Tony Pesino 2. Aryan trading, high lot on psychology. Can you do it? WTI, I will do that. Keton psychology. Keton, okay, very good. Wow, I'm really coin Buddha after a long time. Hello Chief, thank you for joining. Chidit to psychology. Wow, that is awesome. I see that many of you have a very good idea on why traders lose money, and that is because of the psychology, nothing else. So what's the psychology? Let me tell you what's the psychology that in my journey I have seen, and I have seen in many traders journey, is that, you see, exactly, I'm sure that you can correlate this with you. Let's say you saw a trade, whatever it is, okay? The candle closed or not closed, okay? First, before I tell you exactly, I'll tell you why we lose money. It's very important. You know, it's my journey. I'm sure that many of you have the same thing. You see, Euro AUD again now came to the dodgy point. You know, when I started trading on, long ago, so what happened is, suddenly one day, I took a lot of trade and I lost a lot of money. And I realized that, okay, why today I took a lot of trade and I lost money? Why today? After a long time I thought that. And then I realized that actually what happened is, let's say at some day, if you have a bad day at work, at family, we all have work and family, then unconsciously you see that you will take a lot of trade. Okay, the reason is, the real reason is that when we have an issue in our personal life, every one of you, including me, we all have problem in our life. No one can live without problem. The world is full of problem. We need to live in it. So what we try to do, we try to solve this problem by trading. Okay, so what we unconsciously think that when we see a candle, we started to believe that, okay, this candle, we start to find a logic behind this candle. Okay, we see that, okay, Forex Wizard told that there is a, if this candle goes past this previous one and then closed back below as a bearish engulfer, it's a sell. Okay, also Forex Wizard told that if this candle, this red candle past the previous candles, close back below, that's a sell. Wow. And also there is a doji. Let's sell everything, because unconsciously you basically trying to figure out, trying to solve your problem, but you find a logic behind to take a trade, but you didn't consider that the price is in an uptrend. You didn't consider that monthly time frame. You didn't consider daily time frame. You didn't consider what time frame you are trading in, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. You are just trying to justify to take a trade to resolve your emotion. So until you make that unconscious into conscious, the struggle will not be ended. Okay, so how do you make that unconscious into conscious? By bringing awareness. Okay, by asking hundreds of questions before you taking a trade. Why am I taking this trade? What is the reason behind it? Is it okay? Like, be too much choosy. Okay, and then you can become profitable as a trader. And that's how your journey started to become a profitable trader. This is the real thing, once you master that trading psychology, no one can stop you from being a profitable trader. Trust me, every one of us know how to analyze the chart, how to do this and that. Every one of us know, but only thing we don't know is who we are, what is inside our subconscious or unconscious mind. And as you know that 98% of our activity, action, thinking is governed by our subconscious mind. Unfortunately, very few people want to hear this. Okay, the reason is because we don't know what we don't know, and that's why we lose money. And as a wizard, how can I help you? Trust me, from my heart I want to help you, not because I want to achieve something for you, but because I struggled and my worthiness is to help you. And the way only I want to help you is telling you the truth. The truth is within you. You know, when I lost money, every day when I fall asleep, I ask myself, what do I have to do to be a winning trader? I didn't look at social media. I didn't go to any seminar anywhere. I looked within. Every one of you have that power. Okay, every one of you have that ability. Ask yourself, what do I have to do to be winner? Know your power. Okay, the society, the culture, the family, the school, the college makes us powerless. We rely on other. Okay, we rely on wizard, we rely on friend, we rely on social media. Don't rely on me. Okay, rely on yourself. Don't follow me, follow your heart, follow yourself, and then you can become a profitable trader. No one can stop you. You have strong power. Okay, you know, there is a famous philosopher. His name is called Friedrich Nietzsche. He's a German philosopher. He struggled a lot in his life. He has some famous book. So he has a book. It's called Zarathustra, something like this in German language. It's translated in English. So I will start trading just 1 minute. So in his book, he said he has a book that the character of this book is a sage. Okay, so the sage told his disciples, that his followers, that abandon me, mistrust me, leave me, unfollow me, so that you can find the truth for yourself. Because if you follow me, then you are a believer. If you believe me, then you forgot who you are. You will forget who you are and you start to follow me. Then you will not find the truth. Similarly, to become a trader, you need to find the truth for yourself. To become the time, money you are spending behind you trading, so that it become worthy. Don't follow anyone. Follow your heart. Try to control your emotion. Try to find the truth for yourself. Okay, spend time. Don't spend too much time on social media. Remove distraction, and I'm sure that you will become a profitable trader. I'm 100% sure. Okay, so this is my promise, that you will become a profitable trader. Because the people who told me, a couple of years ago when I started trading, very close people also, maybe many of you now watching this live stream, I'm sure that many of you in the live stream, they said that why you are trading, it's gambling, trading is many people lose money. And I just didn't say, I just silently listened to them. But in my mind, I refused to believe in it. If I believed them, then I would quit trading. I didn't quit. I said that I can do it. I have the ability and I did it. You can do that too. Okay, so that's the thing. Now let's find out what's happening with the gold. Okay, now gold, see, after still this 4-hour candle to close 1 hour 29 minutes. Okay, as I told you, I need to see that gold came here. This is a very, very important area of value. All right, and then this is where I will be looking to find a reversal pattern on gold on the lower time frame. So AUD CAD. So let's quickly look through all the pairs giving trading opportunity. AUD JPY, AUD CAD, AUD NZD, AUD USD, CAD CHF, Okay, CAD CHF, it's look like creating a nice bearish candle. Let me see the higher time frame. Might find okay, CAD CHF, this is the monthly. Let me see, looks like overextended on the monthly. Let me see the weekly. Okay, weekly we have seen here, it's now on the weekly close. It's a strongly bullish market. Let's see daily. Okay, daily we have seen a gap opening with a doji. This is an overall bullish market, but looks like on the 4 hour it's still not closed, but it's trying to create a bearish pin bar. Okay, it's still not yet. It might go up, but I will not be trading on an uptrend. Okay, I'll not be selling on an uptrend, rather I will be selling on a downtrend. CAD JPY, let's see quickly, I'm looking all of them and then I will see what you guys requesting. Can I buy or sell Euro USD or GU? So let me tell you, it is good risk management if risk 10% of my capital in a week. No, grandson, it's it depends on single trade. Grandson, I will grandson has a good question asked. Let me answer this question for everyone. Grandson asks, is it good risk management if I risk 10% of my capital in a week? Grandson, the risk will completely depend on a single trade. Okay, but I do not risk more than 5% at a time. That's what I do. Okay, but it will depends on how much risk you are taking in a single trade. Okay, not bi-weekly. Why should you think? Because you will not keep, once you close a trade, the risk is gone, isn't it? So it depends on like you, but it depends on how you manage the risk. But as I told you, it depends on single trade. Manduri, GBP JPY, please, looking interesting. CoinBro, CAD JPY, please, let's talk about CAD JPY. Okay, CoinBro, sir, somehow it said that your email address says invalid not. Okay, let me give you the email address here. Armand, info at Forex Trading Wizard.com. Okay, so that's the email address, info at forextradingwizard.com. Yeah, so let's see GBP CAD JPY. Let's talk about CAD JPY again. Looks like that CAD JPY, if this one closes like that, it could be a sell signal. Okay, let me see daily. Okay, let me see weekly. Okay, sorry, not a sell signal. It's confusing. It could be sell signal, it could be buy signal, because it's overall bullish market. There is a weekly candle here, 4 hour. Okay, so CAD JPY, I'm staying away from it. Could be buy, could be sell. Not a good pair to trade now. CHF JPY. So let's see Euro AUD, what happened. So Euro AUD, as I told you, it's closing as a double doji. So double doji means it's a selling opportunity. Let's see what happened if it closes as a double doji. I think that Euro AUD might go up again, and break this high maybe, and then may drop. Okay, so Euro CAD, let's see Euro CHF. Okay, so let's find out Euro CHF is creating a bearish engulfer. I think it's look like it's reversing. Yeah, looks like it could reverse Euro CHF. Yeah, it looks like it is creating a double top and looks like it is reversing. Okay, Euro CHF looks like reversing, not 100%, because it's rejecting from a very, very important area of value. Euro CHF, I'm giving you quick ideas. I'm telling about every pair so that any one of you looking for something, you can find it there. Euro GBP, I'm not trading in sideway. Euro JPY sideway. Euro NZD, if this one closes like that, could be a shorting opportunity. Euro dollar sideway, I'm not trading. GBP AUD, let me see higher time frame, daily. I'll come back to all of them. Daily, weekly, okay, weekly, right, monthly. So this is the monthly. It might go up there. Daily, okay, 4 hour. Okay, GBP AUD, very confusing price action. GBP AUD could come down again, okay, from somewhere here, okay. GBP AUD, GBP USD, okay, it's as expected. It might now come, it might GBP USD do something like that, okay, and then will come down like this, okay. It might consolidate and create this channel, as you see that GBP USD respecting this 20 period moving average, and it might drop like this, okay. GBP USD. So let's see GBP CAD, okay, GBP CAD dropping, GBP CHF. So all GBP pairs, okay. GBP CHF, let me see, it looks like a nice, this is the weekly. Let me see what it did. Monthly, okay, monthly, daily. Daily it's in a sideway, but on the 4 hour we see that strongly strong rejection. But as you see, this is overall sideway market. That's why I'm not interested to take on any trade on GBP CHF. GBP JPY, so looks like GBP JPY, let me see monthly, okay, monthly. We can expect GBP JPY to come to this level of support here, so we might see some bearish momentum on GBP JPY. There is a support here, or it could start to be, okay, until GBP JPY break this daily level of support, okay, until break this daily level of support. Okay, so this is a very, very important area of value in GBP JPY. You see that this is the previous resistance here, support here, support here, support here. Until it breaks, it could break, looks like it's creating a series of lower high. So if it breaks, this is the daily. If it breaks, then 4 hour, go to the 4 hour. And if it breaks, only then I will be considering shorting. But because it may start to create a bullish pattern here, and then could go up easily, okay. GBP JPY, all right. GBP NZD, let me see, okay. GBP NZD showing so far bullish price action. Let me see weekly, monthly, weekly, okay. Confusing price action, neither bullish nor bearish. I'm not gonna trade GBP NZD. If I see confusion, I just stay away from it. Gold, as I told you, so the gold is the best one that I'm seeing so far for finding any trading opportunity, because two things may happen. Gold, this one could be a false breakout. You see, gold does all the time like that. If this one is a false breakout, let's say, you see the price completely separated on gold from this level. There is a support here. The price completely separated here in this zone, okay. This is a completely disconnected from here. Now if this one started to push up from here, that means this is a false breakout. So when you see a false breakout, that means it's a big change of trend. In that case, we might see that gold is breaking all this level and going way up to create maybe here new higher high, okay. One possible scenario. Less likely, highly likely that, not less likely, equal opportunity. Another opportunity that gold will come up, as I told you, test this previous resistance, support as resistance, and then will continue to drop. So this could be the fate of gold, okay. This is the situation could be with the gold. Let's find out what happened. NZD CAD, NZD CHF. So all of them NZD showing bearish price action. NZD USD is very weaker. I will not be trading NZD. Silver is following gold. US 100 looks like trying to go up, but it's a strongly bearish market. I'm not gonna trade it either bull or bear. USD CAD. So USD CAD, okay, USD CAD, let me see. Looks like it might even reverse. Let me see monthly. Okay, all right, let me see. This is the monthly. This is the monthly resistance here. Let me draw the monthly resistance. Okay, let's see weekly. Okay, so there is a previous support here. Okay, this support now tested as resistance. So now we see, this is the weekly. Let's see daily. This is a strongly bullish market. I'm not gonna sell. So it's not a reversal now. I see it's not a reversal. So USD CAD, if it reversal, then we'll know later. But for now, there is no trade on USD CAD. USD CHF. Trying to break down, but still I'm not trading short in a bull market. I never trade short in a bull market. Okay, USD half, dollar yen. So let's see dollar yen. Dollar yen in a sideways. We need some time to understand what happened with dollar yen. Okay, it could be bullish because it's a bullish market, but I'm not. It could be that it is creating an inverted head and shoulder and might see that pushing up from here. But dollar yen to me is still bullish. Okay, but there is no entry point here yet. USD Mexican peso. Let me see the daily. Okay. This is, let's see, weekly. Okay, let me drink a little bit of water. So weekly, monthly, sideways market, leave it. USD Turkish lira. See, USD Turkish lira, when I did my weekly forex forecast from here, it started to push up. My broker doesn't allow USD Turkish lira, but I sometimes some of my students trade, so that's why I just did the analysis. It's a good pair now, pushing up. USD ZAR. Okay, so USD ZAR, let me see what's happening with USD ZAR. USD ZAR has created a double doji. Okay, after this bearish candle. Okay, but it's a bullish market. It might come for a drop from here. Okay, it might come to this level. It's now for a short-term sell opportunity on USD ZAR. Okay, for double doji with a lower high and lower low, USD ZAR short-term sell opportunity. US oil, some of you have requested US oil. Let me see US oil. This is the daily time frame. Let me see weekly. Okay, US oil, what it is doing basically, it's moving in a sideways. Okay, I'm not interested about the US oil at all. It's moving in a sideways. I don't like this kind of choppy market because I have a lot of market to trade. Okay, so Euro AUD, let's go back to our old trade that we have started with Euro NZD and Euro AUD. So for now, the best trade for me is Euro NZD and Euro AUD. You see, this is what I started with. Now this is what giving me some money now. Okay, smash the like button. That's what you have to do. You have to sort out and find one trade and take that one trade for the day, for the week, for the month. That's it. Okay, so Euro AUD trade that we have entered. Looks like after 13 minutes candle is closing, it's giving us a nice could be a good trade, could be a bad trade, because it's a very strongly bullish market. It could go up and then come down again. But so the way we have taken the trade, hopefully it will go in our way. Euro AUD, Euro NZD also a bearish, creating a double doji with a lower high, but it didn't create a lower low. Looks like it has created a lower high with Euro NZD as well, and we might see the next one is going up a little bit and maybe dropping, and if it drops, it could be a really good trade to take. Okay, so this is the situation with Euro NZD. In the meantime, are you guys and girls are you enjoying this live session? Let me know in the chat section. Are you feel bored or you are feeling excited? So let me know in the chat section so that I know that you're finding value in this live session. Purity, do you have a trading opportunity today? Yeah, we already have taken a trade on Euro AUD, which is now running profit. You see, as we have started a trade already. Euro NZD also a trading opportunity. Euro AUD is bearish than Euro NZD, and my peak today is Euro AUD. Guys, smash the like button if you haven't done yet, and also if you're new to the channel, you saw that this is how I give trading opportunity here. As you have known me, this is, if you are new, you know my name and you have known me. Very good, thank you. So this is what it is. Excellent. Okay, very good. Hello sir, learning a lot. Thank you, no problem. Shafali, Amanda, Entertainment TV, I enjoy every single live. I learned a lot. Single session, no other traders in the world doing it like you. Thank you, Entertainment TV. I really feel good to hear this. Great lessons, Chedrick, very good. Rizvan, very nice, no problem. Thank you. Bhuma, excellent. Shafali, hello sir, learning a lot. Thank you, Shafali. Armand, hi sir, just sent you a test email, just see if everything is valid. Okay, sure, no problem. Rizvan, Usdjpy, can I long position? Rivan, I don't have any entry on Usdjpy. I have only one trade that I found, that because Usdjpy could just melt down. Okay, it's already created a double top here, and I am not fan of now trading Usdjpy. Sometimes Usdjpy just break like this. Okay, it may break down. Okay, we don't know, or it may start to push up. So I'll not trade Usdjpy. The only trade that I see is Euro AUD or Euro NZD. I could be wrong at any point, as I told you. Euro NZD or Euro AUD, and gold trade if only if it tests this previous support as resistance, and if it give us a reversal pattern on the lower time frame. So these are the two trades that we will be considering. Otherwise we'll stay in the sideline. Guys and girls, let's see what else you want me to cover. So after 10 minutes we will find a candle close on the intraday time frame. Okay, in the meantime, as I told you when I started my session, looks like that Euro NZD will give us a nice trading opportunity. Now, how I predict this market Euro NZD, that it might fall. Okay, if you want to learn my strategy, go to the description area, visit my website. You can join my VIP mentorship program where you learn my strategy. You learn how to trade the market like a wizard. At the same time, if you other links in the description area, you can check it out. There's a lot of stuff there, free stuff in my website. I've written a book on price action trading. You can download it for free. I have a free trading course, a lot of things to help you in your trading. So make sure you grab the opportunity. So this is the things. That's all. Hopefully you guys and girls enjoyed this session. I'm gonna end this one now. I'll talk to you tomorrow in the same time in this live trading session. Hopefully so far everyone will be good. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for joining this live trading session. Thank you for staying with me.